first here, Dapp Radar and Layer 0 launched chain-agnostic staking token. Dapp Radar and Layer 0 have launched a new token to enable staking across multiple blockchains and Ethereum virtual machine compatible networks. This will minimize fees and increase access to staking opportunities. The new Radar token is made available through a series of linked smart contracts, Dapp Radar said. The primary contract is known as the controller, with the secondary contract referred to as the proxy. Together, these enable the new staking mechanism. Requests to withdraw or claim rewards are sent to the proxy smart contract. The proxy then communicates with the controller contract to determine if the request is valid. If the request is valid, the controller will inform the proxy to release the tokens. Dapp Radar claims that this type of cross-chain staking was previously unavailable anywhere. Dapp Radar has provided documentation on how users can take advantage of the new cross-chain functionality. According to the instructions, users can stake their Radar tokens on the Ethereum blockchain and claim the rewards on the BNB chain. This is the first supported cross-chain configuration, with a rollout for Polygon Matic expected soon. Dapp Radar is a decentralized application exploration platform that aims to broaden its coverage and pursue faster listings for emerging projects through the use of its native token. The platform also promises more accurate listings of current projects and better portfolio management tools. When Dapp Radar and Layer 0 first announced their Radar token in December 2021, the crypto market landscape was very different. Since then, the market has seen some highs and lows, with June capping off the worst quarter in 11 years. Despite the current bear market, some tokens have experienced new highs of up to 300%. I'm curious to know if you guys have got into any good tokens that you have seen do very well in this bear market. I'd be very interested to know what those are, what you think is doing well, and what you think would be good to invest in now. Up next here, Voyager Digital freezes trading, deposits, withdrawals, and rewards, blames 3AC default. In light of recent developments, Voyager Digital has decided to temporarily suspend all trading, deposits, withdrawals, and loyalty rewards. According to CEO Stephen Ehrlich, this is the best course of action given that one of their borrowers, Three Arrows Capital, has failed to repay a large loan. He made the announcement via Twitter shortly after the suspension went into effect. This decision is not ideal, but it will give them time to work on strengthening the balance sheet. This is necessary to protect assets and preserve the future of the Voyager platform. It's very unfortunate. These companies that are not doing well are affecting other companies. It's just going to be like a chain reaction. They have engaged Moelis & Co. and the Kinsella Group as financial advisors and Kirkland & Ellis as legal advisors. On Wednesday, Voyager Digital issued a notice of default to Three Arrows Capital, or 3AC, after the Singaporean crypto hedge fund failed to repay a 15,250 Bitcoin and 350 million USD coin loan. In assurances to its continued operations, the exchange explained that it had accessed $75 million of a revolving loan of 15,000 BTC it had taken out from Alameda Research to cover its exposure to the loans 3AC was unable to repay. Voyager additionally reported that it had $137 million in cash and crypto on hand. According to reports, a court in the British Virgin Islands ordered the liquidation of 3AC after Voyager Digital filed a notice of default. It is said that 3AC failed to meet margin calls earlier in the week. Voyager Digital did not give a timeline for when it would restore trading, deposit, withdrawal, and loyalty reward services. In an afternoon announcement before a long weekend in the United States, the company said that Monday's U.S. Independence Day holiday would delay the process. So we'll continue to keep you guys updated as we get news on that. Up next here, Bitcoin will see long bear market, says trader, with BTC price stuck at 19K. It was a quiet weekend for BTC USD as it hovered around the $19,000 mark. There was little movement in the markets with no major surprises or news to drive any volatility. The US dollar index remained around 105 points after briefly hitting 20-year highs earlier in the week. Order book data from the Binance exchange showed that BTC USD was caught between buy and sell liquidity close to the spot price, ensuring a lack of volatility until traders maneuvered or added significantly to bids or asks. Zooming out, it is clear that the outlook is not optimistic for bulls. According to popular trading account Altcoin Sherpa, current conditions promise an extended period of uninspiring performance from Bitcoin, which could last much of 2022. Altcoin Sherpa told Twitter followers it's going to take months to chop around and accumulate once the bottom is found, and the bottom might not even come for another few months from today. Hunker down for a long bear market, in my opinion. Trader and analyst Rec Capital echoed the sentiment, arguing that Bitcoin had not yet made new macro lows or started to consolidate. In a tweet last month, economist, trader, and entrepreneur Alex Kruger noted that Bitcoin trading volume had hit an all-time high. As a general rule, trading volume is the highest when markets capitulate, Kruger explained. In the 2018 bear market, the volume all-time high in fact occurred several weeks before the price bottom. Should this trend continue, July could be the site of the next all-time high volume. In the past, Rec Capital has said that there hasn't been enough buying activity to keep prices rising in the long term and has pointed to the volume changes in 2018 as evidence. So here's their tweets, their information there. What do you guys think? You agree with them? Up next here, Ignite CEO announces departure after 7 years. Peng Zhang has stepped down as CEO of Ignite roughly a month after former company head Jay Quan said he would be leading New Tendermint as part of the company split into 2 firms in May. Zhang announced his departure from Ignite in a formal tweet to his followers on Friday. He has been with the company since 2015. Serving as chief design officer at the Kuala Lumpur and Toronto offices before becoming CEO in May 2020. The reason for his departure is unclear. Zhang was a core contributor to the Cosmos ecosystem, developing the first Cosmos crypto wallet, Voyager, later renamed Looney, and helping to introduce liquid staking to the ecosystem. He was known for his work in Ignite, which is formerly Tendermint. Cosmos was founded in 2014 by software developers Jay Quan and Ethan Buckman. The company allows interoperability between blockchains by making information flow and transactions seemingly easier to execute. Quan left his position at Tendermint CEO in 2020, but returned following the company's rebrand in May, creating Ignite and New Tendermint. He is now CEO of the newly branched firm. According to Cointelegraph Markets Pro, the price of Cosmos, or Atom, is $8.09 at the time of publication. This is a 3.5% increase from Zhang's announcement. So, who knows why he's leaving? If we get more information as to that, we'll let you guys know. Maybe we'll find out where he's going. Up next here, NFT hype evidently dead as daily sales in June 2022 dipped to 1-year lows. Non-fungible tokens were all the rage in 2021 as artists, influencers, celebrities, and the sports industry discovered a new tool for fan engagement that allowed the general public to profit from their success. However, the hype around NFTs faded quickly in 2022 as sales plummeted to new lows amid a brutal bear market. The NFT boom, which started in early 2021, continued until May 2022, supported by a healthy and bullish crypto ecosystem and positive investor sentiment. However, Bitcoin's struggle to maintain its all-time high prices had a negative impact on the crypto ecosystem. In June 2022, the NFT ecosystem recorded its worst performance of the year. The total number of daily sales fell to approximately 19,000, with an estimated value of $13.8 million. This is a significant decrease from the numbers recorded in June 2021. NFT sales have seen a considerable increase in the past year, with daily sales reaching impressive levels. This growth can be attributed to the increasing mainstream adoption of NFTs across various use cases. According to data from nonfungible.com, the NFT ecosystem witnessed its highest number of daily sales of 224,768 NFTs on September 24, 2021, worth $78.3 million. However, the biggest sale in terms of dollar value took place on May 1st when 118,000 NFTs were sold in the day for $780 million. There are a number of factors that have led to the declining interest in NFTs over the last few months. These include falling ETH prices, a lack of secondary market demand, and unrealistic gas fees. According to data from NFT Go, this has resulted in market capitalization decline of nearly 40% and a 66% drop in trading volume. As the bear market continues, crypto entrepreneurs are helping governments explore the use of NFTs for identification purposes. Social media giant Facebook has also recently announced plans to support NFTs for creators. These developments suggest that NFTs may have a bright future despite the current market conditions. A Meta spokesperson has revealed that the rollout of NFTs on Facebook will be gradual, beginning with select creators in the United States. We talked about that yesterday. And last article here, Kucoin CEO slams insolvency rumor, citing no plan to halt withdrawal. Crypto exchange Kucoin found itself at the center of discussion when a sub-community of crypto Twitter started warning investors about an incoming ban on funds withdrawal. Johnny Liu, CEO of Kucoin, was quick to dismiss the unvetted rumors before they picked up steam. Prominent crypto figures on Twitter, including trader @KongBTC and blockchain investigator @OtterU, have requested that their followers withdraw all funds from Kucoin amid claims that the exchange may soon block users from withdrawing their funds. According to reports, Kucoin is facing severe financial difficulties due to its high exposure to the tokens of failed projects such as Terra Luna and 3AC. This has caused great suffering from the exchange and its users. Despite the current rumors and FUD surrounding the company, Lu has reaffirmed their strong position by disclosing recent funding numbers. In May 2022, the company received $150 million in funding, which valued the company at $10 billion. Lu has also pointed out that the company is actively hiring for multiple positions, asking investors to make their own judgment. This is in response to the recent rumors about Kucoin's insolvency. Lu confirmed that they will be sharing their 2022 H1 review report with detailed information about their operations in order to distance themselves from these rumors. He also warned that those who intentionally spread false information about Kucoin will be subject to legal action. Tether Chief Technology Officer Paolo Ardoino recently announced that the stablecoin Tether, or USDT, was subject to a coordinated attack by hedge funds seeking to short sell the United States dollar-pegged cryptocurrency. Arduino noted that Tether is collaborating with regulators to improve transparency and reduce exposure to commercial paper. He said that the company is committed to phase out its commercial paper exposure and is working closely with regulators to improve its compliance efforts. So only time will tell if Kucoin is, gonna go under or need to halt withdrawals. I think it's unfortunate that people just, there's a lot of that going on. So people could just jump to that conclusion with another company and really just, tarnish their name, even if it's not something that's really going to happen. Let me know what your guys' thoughts are on Kucoin. If you guys utilize it, do you think that that's going to happen? Are you taking your money out, keeping it in? I'm always curious to know. That's all we have for you today, though. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, leave a comment on what you want to see in a future video, and we'll see you next time.